away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons.
Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets. All that steam has gone to your funnel.
Hey, there they are.
We'll fix their wagons.
I'm not good at backing up.
Me neither.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What engine? What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we'd better find her first. Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball.
When Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past here.
Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumped sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Fruits. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo!
Okay, and by the way, before I leave, I got something special for any of you that stayed this far. You probably didn't, but here's a finger reel. Let's see if I can get the windmill moving. Now. Wait, Henry's pulling the thing. Pull the thing, Henry. No, he's not pulling it.
Yeah, okay, honestly, let's go.
Maybe.
Let's go again.
Levels with one of your buddies local co-op, which is just great. This feature is gonna be one of my favorites for sure. It even has the rainbow platform, so I'm super stoked for it. The tower theme wasn't confirmed to be in the game, but since we now have yellow statue.
That well lasted 500 years. I can tell you with proof from my backyard that dog poo does not just degrade in the cup. So I scheduled an Uber.
coming through concrete with a ton of plastic spoon.